how to turn on or turn off gesture cursor control in Google Keyboard or Gboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, go down and tap on keyboard list and default. Then tap on Gboard. Next, tap on glide typing and then tap on gesture cursor control. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here it says move cursor by sliding across spacebar. So if we go to our keyboard, so here if I touch and hold on a spacebar here, I can then control it. So you can see I can control my key or my cursor by simply swiping across like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.